How to review sent friend requests on Facebook Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review sent friend requests on Facebook Mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click this three lines here in the top corner and then go down, click settings and privacy, and now click settings, and then here just click activity log, and then connections, and send friend requests. And that's how to review send friend requests on Facebook Mobile, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.